Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send a mass email in Salesforce CRM. In Salesforce, we also call it as send list emails. So imagine you need to send the same email to 50 customer or 100 customer. In some times, we need to send same email to thousands of customers. Would you open each record one by one and send the email manually? So of course it's not possible, right? So it will take lot of time. Salesforce provide a standard feature called as list email. So which allows you to send a one email to multiple leads or contacts at the same time. So in this video, we will cover what is a list email is, difference between list email and single email, requirements before sending, step-by-step configuration, using email templates, real-world examples, and also what are the common mistakes and best practices. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first, we need to understand what is a list email is. For example, I navigate to lead object. So in here, I will select Bangalore branch. So in Bangalore branch, for example, currently we have a 2 leads, but imagine we have a 50 leads. Okay. So for this Bangalore branch 50 leads, I need to send an email. So list email is a standard Salesforce feature that allows user to send the same email to multiple leads or contact simultaneously. So instead of opening each record individually, you simply select multiple records from a list view and send one email to the all of them at a single shot. So in real-time example, imagine your company is launching a new product. Okay, you want to notify 200 existing customers. So without list view, we need to open each contact, click email, type the message, and we need to send. So repeat 200 times. That could take lot of hours. So with list emails, select all contact at once, write the email once, click send, done. Just in few minutes it will work. So when we actually use this list email is commonly used for product announcement, holidays greetings, promotional offers, webinar invitations, event reminders, follow-up campaigns, and some other customer updates. So in that time, we will go with list emails. So then what is the difference between single email and list email? Single email. So send one lead or one contact. Personalized communication. Open the individual record. Example, a follow-up mail after a customer meeting. List email sent to multiple leads or contacts. Same email contact for everyone. Sent directly from list view. So example, a festival greeting sent to all customers. So then what are the requirements we need before sending list email? Before using this feature, make sure email deliverability is enabled. So user have permission to send emails. So what are the customer we need to send email? That customer should have the email address. You are using a lead or contact object. A list view is primarily available here. If any selected record does not have email address, Salesforce don't send an email to the particular record. So then how we can send? For example, I open Bangalore branch. In here, I will select this two. So I have one button like send email. So I will simply click on that send email button. I will enter some text like Happy Diwali. So then we need to enter the body of the email. So what I will do, I will simply enter some text like Salesforce wishing a memorable Diwali to all your family member. So I written some text or some message here. So then what I will do, I will simply click on send. So once I click on send, automatically for this both email or what all the record we selected, for that all the email will be sent. So how we can check? For example, what I will do, I will log in my Gmail. So in here you can see I get that mail. So Salesforce wishing a memorable Diwali to all your family members. I get that mail. So same like for all the customer, same email will be transfer. So what happens after sending? So again go back to that particular lead object. I will open that record, any record. So in here you can see in the activity history that message will be stored. Salesforce records the email activity for each recipient. Depending on your configuration, you may also track send email, opened emails, email history. And also sometimes we are not able to see this particular send email button. So in that time, how we can enable that one? So simply click on gear icon, go to edit object. In left side, just scroll below, we see like list view button layout. Click on that. In here, there is a drop down. Click on that drop down and click on edit. So you will see all the standard buttons. So you just scroll below. In here, we can see the send email button. So you simply check on that, then click on save. Then again go back to lead object, refresh. Then you can see the send email button on that object page layout. So then what is the real business scenario? Imagine a training institute is there. A new Salesforce admin course start for next week. So the institution wants to notify all registered students. So instead of sending 3 individual emails, the admin opens the contact list, select all the students, use a pre-built email templates and send it. Within a minute, every student receive a same professional email. Then what are the common mistakes happens? Sending without reviewing the recipient list. So always verify you are emailing to the correct audience, not using email templates. We need to use email template because it will save the time and maintain consistency. Missing email addresses. Salesforce cannot send emails to records without an email address. So yeah, this is how we can use list email in simple way. It is a powerful Salesforce feature that helps user communication with multiple customers quickly and professionally. So this is how we can send an email to the multiple customer by using list email or mass email by using Salesforce standard feature. I hope you understand this complete tutorial. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.